Hello Androiders, welcome to Android in 5 minutes. In this playlist we will see how to create and improve this recycler view with card views inside. So let's go! Create a new Android Studio project and name it as My Recycler View application. Let the minimum SDK at Lollipop, empty activity and finish. With the project created, open your build Gradle file and at the dependencies tag, change the version of your app-compat to +signal. This will avoid incompatibilities with your environment. Now copy and paste this line 3 times and add dependency for recycler view and for card view. Okay, now sync the project and open your activity main file. Remove the text view and the padding and add a recycler view tag. Set the width and height to match parent and set an ID that I will call My Recycler View. Okay, the layout for our recycler view is done. Now I need to create the layout for the rows of the recycler view. So go to New Layout Resource File and create a new file called Row. Okay, switch to Text View, Ctrl-Alt-L to organize the code, and replace the linear layout to Card View. Okay, set the height of the card view to 200 dp and also give it an ID. I will call this ID My Card View. Great. I want to have an image view inside my card view. So I create a new one and give the ID My Image View and also set the scale type to center cropping. Okay, the layout for the row is created. It's nothing but a card with an image view center cropped inside. Okay, now let's go to our main activity file. Inside the method onCreate, I will add a new layout manager. I will call it Layout Manager and I will create it from Linear Layout Manager. New Linear Layout Manager. The first parameter is the context this. The second is the orientation. I am using linear layout manager.vertical. And the last parameter is the boolean that represents if I want to use reverse layout or not. It's false. Now I will create the instance for my recycler view itself. Recycler view equals to find view by ID r.id.myRecyclerView. Alt Enter to insert the casting and it's done. The recycler view needs a layout manager to work, so let's set our layout manager to it. RecyclerView.setLayoutManager layout manager. Okay, it also needs an adapter. The adapter is the object that will populate the recycler view with data. It is the core of the recycler view. With this structure that we have made so far, we can create different recycler views using different adapters. So let's create our own adapter in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and see you in the recycler view video number 2. Bye bye.